Tired of lugging around that heavy vacuum? Sick of sweeping dirty floors? Fed up with cleaning clogged rollers choked with pet fur and hair? It's a nightmare. What you need is Voom, the lightweight cordless anti-clog power cleaning tool with 360 swivel tech that reaches around, under, and in between to quickly pick up virtually any mess. Yet Voom is so lightweight, you can pick it up with a finger and say goodbye to hair wraps. Voom comes equipped with an ingenious self-cleaning roller system. First, thousands of micro bristles rotate at 1200 RPMs, powerfully grabbing, lifting, and picking up hair. Then, the edge-to-edge smart brush combs the roller clean and deposits the hair into the catch tray. There's no better way to pick up long hair, short hair, or pet hair. Voom's multi-surface sliders let you transition from floor to floor without missing a crumb. It even picks up right against the baseboards.
It will clean up messes right up against the wall without scratching your baseboards or your floors.
I have 3 daughters, all styling their hair in one bathroom. Voom picks up all the hair. It's very lightweight and very easy to use.
And at under 2 pounds, it's easy to carry and clean up and downstairs. A simple push of a button empties the catch tray. Voom is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery to clean the entire house on a single charge. Voom is your lightweight, lift it all away that you'll use every day.